All right, this is at another municipal parking structure, as it's called. I don't think I can find an actual name for these garages. In Davenport, Iowa. It's another Otis. This is built in May 2003. I didn't see the date on the other one. I didn't notice it, but probably shows in the video. I think it's glass. I can see a window back there. Hey, it's glass. Oh, it's just like the other one. Just hit something. That's the other elevator over there on the other side. Oh, it just overlooked a little bit. Here's your fixtures. Just regular Otis. Vortex phone, the other one. Is that open? No, it's not. All right. There it goes. That's it.